Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook post design on different niches. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also sell this service on offline market. You can go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence, their Facebook presence, so they can surely hire you. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best software, graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to learn, and you can learn easily. If you want to know complete about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section, and here I uploaded a course which is called Canva designing course, and you can completely, after watching the playlist, you can completely know everything about Canva. So I'm click on create a design, and here I search Facebook post. So it's give me different options, but I choose Facebook square. This is the main. It is loading, wait for some second. So in today's video we make a Facebook post design on entrepreneur niche. So it is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed is, I think, not good. So here I search entrepreneurship, and as you can see it gives us different options. So I click on this. So we can change the style. After that, go to photos, and here I search entrepreneurship, and I think this image is good. Yeah, it's look good. After that, I don't like background, so I click on brown. I think yellow looks good. So I go to elements, we have to add some elements. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.